Hi viewers, today we're looking at the convert date function in Microsoft Excel 2013. So first of all you've got to open up Microsoft Excel 2013 and then click on Alt and F11 to open up the Visual Basic editor, and you can see I've already created the code here. So basically you can see I started off by saying this is a subroutine called convert, put DTE at the end there, and basically you have to start by declaring or defining what the variable you're going to attach a date to. So I'm going to create a variable called e, and I'm going to assign it to the date data type. So I've said dim e as date, which is basically another way of saying declare e as a date data type. Then I'm going to assign to the variable e, I'm going to assign an input box where I'm going to enter my value, which is going to be displayed after that within a message box with the statement the value is, and then appended with e, which will give you what the value is for my date that's been converted. So it's always a good idea when you're working with dates, if you want to convert something to a date format, it's ideal to have it into this sort of format, which is the year, then hyphen the month, then hyphen the day. If it's just as a number without any hyphens, you can do a string function to add the hyphens in between and then create the convert date macro on that. So now you can see all it is basically say sub with your subroutine name, then declare or dim e as date, declare e as date, and then an input box say for the value of e, the variable of e, the input box with a bracket with a prompt statement in double quotes, separated by a comma, and then the actual value you want to insert. So where you see this e in here in the brackets within CDate is where the value is going to be inserted in the input box, and where you see this message box here is where the value is going to be displayed after you click on OK on the input box. And then finally every sub routine ends with an end sub. So if I go up the top and to see that my macro runs, if I click on play, and you can see here the input box comes up, says enter value to convert to date format. So I'm going to enter 2015 hyphen 01 hyphen 24. And when I click on OK, you can see it says the value is 24th of January 2015. So it's converted to a proper UK date format. Yeah, that's it for the CDate function in Excel VBA 2013.